안녕하세요. Hi everyone, this is your Korean Sam, 진아. Today's expression is 얼굴이 두껍다. Repeat after me. 얼굴이 두껍다. Okay, 두껍다 뭐예요? 두껍다 is to be thick. Thick. 얼굴 뭐예요? 얼굴 is face. So your face is thick. Face thick? Because of too much makeup? 뭐예요? Let's figure it out. Here in the picture, the man says, 책 빌려도 돼? Can I borrow your book? Of course, she said. Oh, again? Can I borrow your laptop? Laptop 빌려도 돼? Okay, yeah, you can. And again, he again asks, can I borrow your notebook and pen? And she says, again. Now she's upset. So he is borrowing stuff from other friends again and again and again. So we called 얼굴이 두껍다 to him. So it means to be shameless. He's just to borrow everything from others and doesn't say thank you or give back something. So we can say 얼굴이 두껍다. So it is used when a person who is unscrupulous and unashamed. Here, brazen-faced is the same meaning as 얼굴이 두껍다. He is brazen-faced. He doesn't know what is shame, and he doesn't know it's a shameful behavior. 얼굴이 두꺼워요. Also, we have same expression, 낯이 두껍다. 낯 is also face in Korean. So, 낯, 얼굴. It's the same word. 낯이 두껍다, 얼굴이 두껍다. You can use in both ways. So, here are examples for you. A. 오늘 영화관에서 짜증나는 일이 있었어요. I was very upset in the movie theater today. B. 무슨 일인데요? A. 영화의 아주 중요한 순간에 at the very crucial moment in the movie 누군가의 전화가 울리더니 someone's phone was ringing. And 어이없게도 전화를 받는 거 있죠. And surprisingly, he actually talked on the phone during the movie. Then we are all like, what? Wow, he's crazy. It doesn't make sense. And we can say, wow, 정말 얼굴이 두꺼운 사람이네요. He doesn't care anybody. He's so shameless. He's unashamed. 얼굴이 너무 두꺼워요. Can you guess now? Okay. Here are exercises for you. Number 1, which does not mean 얼굴이 두껍다. Choose different word. Number 1, 뻔뻔하다. 뻔뻔하다 is the same meaning that, which means unashamed. Doesn't care anyone. So it's the same meaning. Number 2, 얼굴이 크다. 얼굴이 크다. To be big. 얼굴이 커요. 얼굴이 두꺼워요. 아니에요. It's a whole different word. 얼굴이 크다. There is no idiom for 얼굴이 크다. And number 3, 창피한 줄 모르다. 창피하다 is to feel ashamed. Oh, I'm ashamed. Shame. So, 창피한 줄 몰라요? shameless 예요. Number 4, 부끄러운 줄 모르다. 부끄럽다 is also ashamed or shy. So 부끄러운 줄 몰라요. unashamed. Number 1, 3, 4. 모두 얼굴이 두껍다. 같아요. It's the same meaning. And let's complete the sentence here. 제 친구는 blank 지하철에서 햄버거도 먹어요. 지하철에서 햄버거 먹어요. I'm not brave enough to eat hamburgers in metro, in subway. But my friend is very brave and he doesn't care anybody. Just eat hamburgers in the subway. Then 제 친구는 얼굴이 두꺼워서 지하철에서 햄버거도 먹어요. Okay, so we use 얼굴이 두껍다 for an unashamed person. Alright, here it's all for today and 다음 시간에 만나요.